Okay, namaskar everyone, and today again let's start without wasting our time. See here, the mass again, like this handwriting, I want to give care to my student, not mine. So don't blame me for this handwriting. Okay, this is not my handwriting. This is my learner handwriting, and he's listening now. Okay, so first of all, relax, cool. Okay, so this is my handwriting word. So if you want to say something good, say it here. If you want to say something bad, say it there. Okay. So okay, let's go. So see here, the mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Now, yeah. So here there is a this kg will be like it is 6 into 10 power 10 power 24 kg. Okay. Now the mass of the Jupiter is 319 times. 319 times means multiplied by 319 times means it is so big, like अर्थ का मास इतना, तो जुपिटर का उससे 319 times more. Okay, so it's like 319 times more than the Earth. Okay, like if for example I will say, see, suppose this is Earth, so this is Jupiter, so it will be like into 319. Got it? So this is Earth, suppose this is Earth and this is Jupiter, so into 319. Okay, now see here, I will erase this one because it is already too compact and I don't want to make it so messy that you guys will have trouble while watching it. But focus here, it is so easy. The distance between the Earth and Jupiter is now this much, 9.68 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay, it is already given in meter. So one thing we have to be mindful of is that this is in meter, so nothing to change. But if it is in kilometer, okay, or suppose centimeter, then we have to always convert it into SI unit, right? So that's the first thing. Now calculate the force of attraction. So what is the force of attraction? This is our question. Now as we know that the force of attraction is what? So I have written this everything here. Now the solution. So now the mass of the Earth, I have denoted this as ME. So this is capital M, E for Earth. Mass, again, this means mass of the Jupiter. So again M, and this is again J. So J stands for Jupiter. So M for Earth and M for J for Jupiter. Okay. So ME Earth, MJ Jupiter. So be clear here because this type of denotation is very important, and while solving, it is okay. It is best that if you write all the language, but if sometime you don't have time, you can give the abbreviation form, and then you can continue. Okay. So like ME is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Now the mass of the Jupiter MJ equals to 319 into ME. So what is ME? ME is 6 into 24. 6 into 24 kg. So that is ME. So now 319 into ME. The value of ME is this much. So substitute the value here and you will get this. When you calculate, do the calculation by yourself. Okay, I have already done the calculation and then I have written this one. So you just do by yourself. In that way you will learn a lot. Okay, because you will do mistake and people learn from their mistake, right? So see here now. Yeah, so now the distance between the Earth and the Jupiter is this much, whatever, 9.68 into 10 power 11 meter. Now G, what is the capital G here? Because in the previous video I have already written that this is the gravitational constant, right? So I have not repeated because there was no space, but if you want, it is like gravitational constant, capital G, not a small g. See, there is a vast difference between capital G and small g. This is gravitational constant and this is the value of gravity, which is 9.8. So never get confused here. If you will write this one instead of this one, it will be not only mistake, it will be like blunder. Okay, never do that. Now see here. Okay, so our capital G value is also here. Now force of the attraction F is equal to what? According to the formula, F is equal to G ME into MJ by D square. So that's the formula which you must have to memorize. So this is F is equal to G M1 into M2 by D square. Now F is equal to G is constant. What is M1? M1 is ME. What is M2? MJ. Okay, by D square. by formula. There is nothing like there's not a big deal, right? So see here now, from here, like whatever the value we have here, we are just going to substitute all the value here. Okay, that simply we are doing nothing else. Okay, see here 6.67 into the power minus 11, the value of G. ME value is this much, 6 into the power 24. Now MJ value is here. See here what we have done, we have multiplied it and we have found this value. So we will simply substitute this value directly to where, see here, okay, this one. So in that way, so it is here. Now what is the distance? See here distance, the distance between the earth and the Jupiter is 9.68 into the power 11 meter, right? So 9.68 into the power 11 meter to the whole square. Okay, always give the bracket because here that will be like mistake when you will use calculator. Okay, now see here, by simplifying we will get 6.67 to the power 11, this value here, and by multiplying this you will get this much, and this is the below one, the value is this much. Now f is this and this. So finally after calculating, when you will calculate, because I have already calculated, so I am not going to calculate because it will take unnecessary more time, and we want to make the video short, that is why. So here f equals to 8.17 into 10 to the power 17 Newton. That is the force. Thus in the language now we are going to narrate it, or you can say the beautify it in language. So it is thus the force of attraction between the earth and the Jupiter is 8.17 into 10 to the power 17 Newton. Why Newton? Because the unit of force is always in Newton, right? So that is this much for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.